This is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. In the beginning, let's together explore alternative shooting methods that this camera has to offer. So go into the camera settings, then capture methods, and here are three alternative capturing methods that you can switch on. So first of them being the gesture selfie, so just show your palm to a selfie camera to take a selfie. Then it is the auto smile capture, so once enabled, if the camera will detect that the human in its viewfinder is smiling, it will also capture a photo or take a photo. And the tap anywhere to capture is also something you can switch on and use. So once enabled, let me quickly show it to you. Once the tap anywhere is enabled, you can tap anywhere at the screen to take a photo, if that's your thing, of course. Here is the palm selfie. Or first of all, I need to switch cameras, obviously. So I'm showing my palm right now. I mean, it doesn't work perfectly, obviously, but it should work. At the very least, I know that it should. Moving on. I wanted to show you the Pro mode. That is a very manual-oriented photo mode that allows you to manually set such important camera properties as focus, white balance, shutter speed, ISO value, and exposure. So if you're not satisfied with how camera automatically treats your scene and you would like to get something specific out of it and you know how to achieve it by changing the camera properties, this mode is definitely for you. Or if you would like to play around with those values and learn how to manually change camera properties to, well, get the best possible photo or the photo that will match your expectations the most, simply go for it. Another interesting thing you might have not noticed while using the camera of this phone is the fact that it has dual capture photo mode, which will take a photo from both cameras, for selfie and rear camera. You can change the layout as you wish, as you can see. And the same feature is also available for the video recording. So you can record videos from both selfie and rear cameras at the same time, if necessary. For example, if you are recording something and you would like to also record your reaction or something like that. Another interesting thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that you have the ultra resolution mode, which take pictures using the 50 megapixels lens. So now let's quickly take a photo in this ultra res mode. Then I'll take the identical photo using the regular photo mode. And now we'll compare and see what is the difference. So this is the level of details and the maximum zoom distance I am provided with in the regular photo mode. Let's look at the photo specifications. Here is the resolution, so it's 2300 by 4000. That's the picture definition. And here is the 50 megapixel ultra resolution that, as you can see, obviously retains better details and overall has much higher level of details. And the resolution of this photo is also much higher, as you can see. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.